Welcome to Resume Secrets Made Simple. Today in this video, I'll share powerful prompts to boost your LinkedIn profile, network effectively, and stand out to recruiters. Let's dive in and turn your career aspirations into actionable steps. Your LinkedIn headline is the first thing recruiters notice. It really sets the stage for how you're viewed in your industry. By using this prompt above to analyze and rewrite it, you are making sure it's packed with industry-specific keywords and clearly highlights your unique strengths. That way, recruiters can find and reach out to you. Networking can open doors to hidden job opportunities, and having a structured 30-day plan helps you stay focused and consistent. This prompt gives you exactly that. An actionable guide to making connections, uncovering unlisted roles, and positioning yourself as a top candidate before jobs even hit the market. Tired of sending messages that get ignored? This prompt helps you create personalized, authentic, and creative outreach messages that stand out from the rest. When you connect on a human level, you spark conversations that could lead to your next opportunity. Nobody loves answering this one, right? This prompt helps you turn it into a strength. By focusing on self-awareness and growth, you'll show your interviewer you can learn from challenges. It's a chance to leave a lasting, positive impression. If you want to stand out for leadership positions, consistency is your secret weapon. This prompt gives you a clear, step-by-step daily routine to boost visibility, build your brand, and sharpen your skills, all designed to position you as the best candidate over the next 60 days. Switching industries can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. This prompt breaks it down into simple, actionable steps from research to networking to skill building. It's like having a personalized roadmap to your next career move, no matter where you're starting from. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more career advice. Good luck.